All right, hey y'all, it's John, and today we're going to go look at the results from July of 2021 for the Fidelity account. Now, if you haven't been here before, let me give you a quick primer. This channel is about saving, budgeting, investing, but really instilling in you that belief that you can be rich, you can be a millionaire in a free society like America when you invest consistently over a long period of time, primarily using index funds. So what I've committed to do is that as this channel grows and as it gets monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, I'm going to take, at least initially, that money, funnel it into an account and show you the results every month of how that thing is actually growing. To get that kicked off, a month and a half ago, something like that, 2 months ago, I set up a Fidelity account and self-funded it with $100 just so we have something to look at. Now you can use almost any company you want, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Vanguard, whoever you want. I like Fidelity, I like their app, and I like the fees they charge on their index funds. So I went ahead and self-funded it, and so through July of 2021, that was the first full month, I believe. I believe the first one I did, I started everything, funded it in May, and let's take a look at how these results played out. All right, so go in here, open up the Fidelity app. Yeah, good afternoon, good to see me. Click down here on accounts. And then I'm going to click on all accounts. You can see the value is 105.58. So today, actually, it was down a little bit, but you can see the results here. It's a big dip earlier in the month, but then it recovered back. And so it's been growing relatively steadily, not as great as I want. It does say that my one-year return is blank. S&P 500 index is 36.45% up. So this has been a little bit of a rocky road for the last month. In a month and a half, this thing's only up a little over 5% and had that big dip in between. So it's not as good as I wanted. I like that 36%, but just to show you, index fund, this is a S&P 500 index fund. Put the money in there and forget about it. I check it once a month, primarily just to see how is it doing right now, because we're focused on the long term. Those dips don't matter to me, because as long as the economy is growing, as long as I believe for decades the economy is going to continue to grow, then any dips will work through it. You only realize losses if you sell. So I wouldn't do it. I wasn't even looking at it. But in a long-term view, this is the foundation of what I want to do. Now, as I've said before, as this grows, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this into 3 individual funds. I'm going to do a whole new video here in the very near future about the index fund investing strategy that I like. And of course, now's a good time to say, I am not a financial advisor. Please consider everything on this channel for entertainment, because I am not a financial advisor. I have a financial advisor, and I encourage you to have one too and make informed decisions about what you do with your money. But there you go. So a month and a half in, I've gained almost 5.6%, and we're going to look at it next month, see how it goes through August. Thanks, guys.